Hello everyone, so it is Labor Day, so we're going to go check out some Labor Day sales. We are about to go in Ashley Furniture. I have my phone today because they were tripping hard when I had my camera, and they were asking me if I was like creating, like they were like, it's for personal use, right? I'm like, in my head, what else would it be for? So I don't know, but let me show you guys what we're here for. Huh? You glad you took today out? She done was swimming somewhere. So we saw this. This is not what I brought him in here for, but we saw this. And
I saw this and I picked it out. At first she acted like she didn't like it. She just, no, absolutely not.
But I love it.
Yeah, we love it. This looks hard. I said, sit down. It's the softest thing we've ever tried.
No, it's not. I'll show you the softest thing in here. Don't you love it?
I did. It's soft, it's comfortable. I like the color, but the material is plush, and I'm not really feeling the plush look.
So this is the one that my dude likes, and he's right. This one is more modern and cute and stuff, but it's just not as plush and comfortable.
Yeah, the other one is bigger too. Like I feel like you fit more people on the other one, or you'd have more space on the other one.
Likely nobody comes to visit us.
Right.
Okay, y'all, so this is the couch that we're going to go with. You want to give them a little tour?
Yeah, man, I think this was it. This is the winner. When it came down to decision making, we liked, well, I liked how it looked. I like the material that it's made out of. It kind of has like an old-fashioned kind of look, but still a modern upkeep to it.
Okay, come on through, modern.
It's very comfortable. When you sit down, you just plop into it and you bounce a couple times. It has like a, wait, let me pop down again. That's a 2, 3, 4. You get 4 bounces when you sit down one time, so that's a good count right there.
So because this is by far our favorite couch, we think that we're going to just put this one on layaway because we obviously don't, well, I don't really feel comfortable with like buying the whole thing when we don't even have a house. But I would think that putting it on layaway, putting like 10% down and then paying it off in December would be the best option because we love this, and the Labor Day sale is pretty killer. And this is our favorite one that we've looked at from all of the ones that we've looked at. Like we love this.
Love.
And we measured the dimensions and everything, and it's going to fit perfectly.
Very
So
good fit.
we think we're going to go ahead and get this one.
That's it.
So we have some furniture, but we don't have the table, so I don't know what we're going to do about that. We may just, what should we do? I kind of want to buy, I might buy some online because I really want some glass ones that are to my liking, that have storage. So that's a thing. That's a wrap. All right, so that is a wrap. We got we put the furniture on layaway again. Why your seatbelt not on?
Because I don't wear seatbelts.
Thank you, sir. We put the furniture on layaway. It was this really pretty sectional that he picked out because I had picked out the other one. But truth be told, the one that he saw and noticed was way like more modern and cute and nice and fancy. The other one was just really comfortable because it was ultra plush. We did look at mattresses, but none of them tickled our fancy, so we're probably going to go back to Rooms to Go to get that mattress over there that we really liked. But yeah, oh, I just put lipstick on that. Our tentative date for delivery is December the 21st, which of course, I've been looking over here, which is the wrong place, which of course is going to be the day after our expected closing date. So either way, we have, I mean, it doesn't matter. We can just call back and have them to move it up or back if we need to. So we did go ahead and put down a tentative delivery date of December the 21st. So anyway, now we are about to ride by the house. We have not been over there in a couple of days since Wednesday?
Thursday.
Since Thursday, so about 4 days ago. So, I mean, it's Labor Day. I can't imagine, you know, much has transpired. But they probably, I don't know if they work on the weekends, but they could have gotten it in on Friday and Saturday. So, we're about to go see. So, we'll meet you guys there.
All right, so of course they still got the porta potty because the workers still got to use the bathroom. Let's see what else done changed since we done been out here. Of course, you know, last time you saw a whole lot of tractor marks. Now it's a lot of footsteps. So, you know, they've been out here really getting to it. You know, we got some wood, some excess wood. Looks like they've been cutting stuff down, chopping it up. Let's see, they didn't build the corners of the house. I guess you're gonna put the wall up in there. We got some metal down in there. They're laying out some more foundation, make sure everything's sturdy. They got this white stuff, whatever, covering the dirt. So I guess that's to protect the foundation from when it rains, maybe? I don't know. We got some wood, more wood structuring. Looks like there's one of the wood pieces they cut. You also notice that they cut the pipes and they covered them with yellow tops, so I guess nothing can slide down in there. That's one of the things I was worried about, like with the pipes. I was worried about if like snakes can climb through the pipes. You know, you don't want to be using a bathroom one day and then, you know, you feel something bite you or something like that. So yeah, I'm glad they covered that up. That's a pretty good idea. Let me see, we still got the back patio right here. We got more metal, more pipes, and wood structures. I guess that's to hold the house and make sure it's standing straight up. So yeah, man, they've been working. One thing I just noticed, they also have metal throughout in the center of the structure, as you can see. I'm guessing those are for, I'm really thinking those are for walls, but as you know, I don't know anything about building a house. Pretty cool stuff.
So it is September the 4th, aka Mr. Budget's birthday. And since we are out, also Beyonce's birthday, and since we are out on the town, we decided to stop and look at the house. Just so happens to have gotten dark by the time that we got here. But we're about to go out of town to New Orleans for our birthday because our birthdays are 11 days apart. So what we wanted to do is stop by and see it one last time before we go out of town because we won't be able to see it for about 5 days. So just checking on it. I guess they're doing the dirt foundation situation, making sure it's all good and great and wonderful. So yeah, that's pretty much. I feel like they did add some pipes and such, but I guess they're just letting the foundation do what it needs to do. Oh, they've kind of, wait. What? They've kind of marked out.
Yeah, these are like the walls.
Yeah, they've kind of marked out like this is the kit. What is this? Oh, this is the garage. This is.
I feel like the garage is gonna be out here. I feel like they ain't put a wall around the garage. You think?
Not sure.
You think this? What's this right here? This is like the front patio.
The front porch.
So that's the garage.
The garage,
Oh,
which is big for no reason.
That is. That's the garage.
The garage is such a waste of space. I wish
That's
I could
the
not have
kitchen.
one and have a bigger house.
That's the living room.
I guess I could if I built a
That's
custom
the
home.
study.
Yeah, I think they have marked off like the different rooms and stuff. So anyway, pretty sure we ain't supposed to be out here, but I'm just in the
So
dirt.
you want to talk about how we're gonna do our living room? Since we got it figured out, that's the study, that's the living room, that's the kitchen.
It feels so good out here. I'm ready to go home.
I'm ready to sit out here next year. On my
Yeah.
back patio.
That'll be our view. Come on, I'm not about to be walking through the dirt. I done got a fresh pedicure. Y'all want to see my
Let's
feet?
sit on our back porch.
I hate showing my feet.
Let's sit on our back patio.
Boy, I'm ready to go home. Now come on, you the birthday boy. I don't even know if they can hear me. I do not, but I'm messing up my pedicure, I'm sure. Ew, look. Be cool if I could find my engagement ring. They gonna ban us from being over here because we don't just come by and look at it. We got to get out and look around. Yeah, this will be our back porch. That's our back porch, and then we're gonna make something of the backyard and make it like, you know, make it look like something. They can't even see. Anyway, this will be the view. Okay, you guys, so we're here. It is Monday, September the 9th, and we just got back from New Orleans, and we were kind of close, sort of, kind of, when we dropped off the rental, so we decided to swing by. And look, we have dirt piles, but not only do we have dirt piles, we have wood stuff, slabs and what have you, studs. Psych, don't get me lying, because I don't know what's what. We have, what's that little gadget? Oh, they're gonna put our little thing on that.
What?
The little air conditioner thing, for sure. Because it can't be nowhere else. It can't be on the other sides because there ain't no room for it. So anyway, oh, I was all zoomed in. That's why it was all weird. I was trying to show y'all what we got going on here. We have, oh, cool. We have that stuff back there.
It's
we have
still wet. Concrete's still wet.
Concrete stuff. We have stuff here. We have that stuff. I don't know what none of this is. I'm just here to show you that we have a foundation for our home. And we have footprints. And it's super cool. Very cool. And we have supplies back there. I'm not walking back there. It's hot. I'm about to get back in the car, to be frank. So just wanted to show you guys it before I pass out in this heat. Y'all, I live in Georgia. It's not a good look. Anyway, this is our house. I don't know if it's picking up as small or big on camera, but it is actually like 2,500 square feet or something. I don't know if I've ever told y'all that, or if I've ever mentioned it. Probably not. But anyway, here we are. That's our little back patio. It's gonna be covered, and here's our little front porch. It's gonna be covered, and this is so stinking cool. I love this. I think they're gonna build the house, honestly, you guys, way quicker than December. Like, I'm feeling like this is gonna take like 3 months instead of 4. Of course, the timeline is 3 to 4 months, and we do live in Georgia, so that's like a perk as far as like stuff getting dry more quickly than other cities, because because it's hot here. I don't know if that has anything to do with anything. I'm just saying that could possibly be a perk. Perk is that we don't get snow hardly ever, or really any really cold weather, so that could cause them to whip it together more quickly than some other states, like New York or something crazy like that. It's cold up and through those parts. But yeah, this is what we have. Okay, I gotta go. I've been out here for 2 minutes. I'm hot. So you guys, we basically have a house, and we've been out here for like 5 minutes. I can honestly stay out here all day, but it is Saturday, September the 14th, the day before my birthday, and this is what we're working with. So we're here at nighttime the same day, September the 14th. It's just a few hours later. We just wanted to see what they would complete for the day, and this is what we have.